Hello friends, today we are exploring the features of Chrome browser. Using features of Chrome browser, how to generate QR scanner for our particular web page or website. So now we have opened our Chrome browser. It takes some time. Okay, let's open Chrome browser. Now I will type here the URL of website. I will type here just www.facebook.com. Now I am opening the Facebook login page. So if I want to generate the QR code for this page, to follow the step is that just right click anywhere on the page, and Chrome browser provides the inbuilt feature like create QR code scanner for this page, and click on this. The Chrome browser provides the QR scanner code with our link, and here the download option of our QR scanner. So I will just click on download option, and here you can see the QR scanner is downloaded. Okay. So if you want to generate another QR code for another website, that time you just change the URL of your website or web page. So I will just change here and I will write here www.gmail.com. So if I change this and download this, it can be a generate new QR code for input URL. So same features provided by Brave browser also. So we will give the demo of Brave browser also. So I will just open Brave browser, and here we will see the same thing whatever we have to see in Chrome browser. Same feature can be provided by Brave browser also. Here I will type URL of YouTube, so you will get to know about the how to create scanner for YouTube using Brave browser. I will hit the URL of YouTube, and now it takes some time to open the site. Wait for a minute. Okay. Okay. Now it's fine. So how to create QR scanners code using Brave browser, and how to use that feature in Brave browser. Same thing whatever we have do in Chrome, same thing, same step we have to follow in Brave browser also. So I will just right click on here, and here the option of creating QR code for this page, and I am clicking on that. So it can be show the QR code with Brave browser icon, and here the link which we want to create QR code, and using download option we can download and save it to our local disk, and using our phone we can scan that QR code and open that site. So this feature of Brave browser and Chrome browser is very useful when we are work with the multiple links. And if you don't want to remember that links, that time we can create QR scanner for that links, and whenever we have to require to open that site, that time we have to just scan that QR scanner to generate for that particular website or page, and we can directly open that page in our browser. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.